With 3D Experience platform, bring together your business, data, process, ideas, and people contributing to the product development process on a single platform. The 3D Experience platform has curated roles for everyone, whether it be designer, analyst, manager, or even for people from manufacturing or sales team. The new SOLIDWORKS in close integration with 3D Experience comes with revision management, design release or lifecycle control, task management, and more collaboration capabilities with the power of cloud. Also plan, manage, execute, and track your projects with intuitive Gantt chart interface directly linked to your data and people. Conduct design reviews on the go, no matter where you are in the world, office, traveling, or at the client site. Just access the platform from anywhere, anytime with any connected device. Create three-dimensional markups on your design. Manage and track issues, engineering changes in the product lifecycle. Also, geometrically compare those changes with previous revisions and manage approval from multiple people with help of routes. There is no more working in disconnected silos. Instead, use the single source of truth to connect right data with right people at right time. Get in touch with us to know more on enhancing your product development experience